Hello and welcome and happy holiday season. I know I have been gone for a bit, but I am back. I was a little ill with just about everything imaginable, and so I have so many unboxings to do. So bear with my unboxings. So the first one I am gonna do is my Heavenlybleu unboxing. This is a quarterly subscription, and Brenda is the owner and curator of this box. So she does all this work by herself. She also has a full-time job, and I don't know how she gets it done. And this box is quarterly, and it is, I want to say, $64.95 a month. But if you sign up for quarterly, and I do have a link below, you get $10 off. So it's $54.95. I can't remember if it includes shipping, but all that information will be below. So I've had this for probably a week or two, but since I've been ill and since I'm behind, that's why I haven't unboxed it. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you'll like this video and its content enough to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of all my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So let's get in it. And I'm sitting on some carpeting here, so you'll see like the little fuzzies kind of flying by when I pop my seat down here. So it's not indoor snow, it's just from the carpeting. And this again is a lifestyle box, and she wraps it so nice, and it's beautiful ladies empowerment. And she has ladies, small business owners, help curate the box. So I just love the products. I want to say this is my third box, my second or third. Now I can't remember. I think it's my second box. Just as I said, I've been ill, so you have to bear with me. But I just love this box. She sends out a lot of PR boxes, so there are other ladies that do unbox this. I do pay for mine, and but I do love it, so I don't mind it at all. So she puts a little pamphlet in here with everything that's in the box, and you do get choices. So like she'll have the winter box coming up, and she'll send you what the choices are. And there's all the little foozles in here. And let's see what the first item is. It's been so long I forgot. And this box, I want to tell you, smells amazing. And this must be breakable because it's wrapped in this nice paper. And again, please ignore my nails. I have an appointment for next week to get my nails done. And I didn't have the strength or energy to do them myself. And it's wrapped very, very nice. Yeah, it's a candle. It almost looks like it's clay. It's got the tears here, and it has this nice lid. And I'm here to tell you, it's very, very heavy. Oh my God, it smells kind of fruity. And it's like I want to say like a mauve color. So it would almost go with any interior that you have in your house. So I can't remember if she does retail pricing in her books. So this is the Autumn Glow Stone Jar Candle. And I am just looking to see if it has the scent in here. It's water-based, non-toxic, and this is a $35 value. So a great price for a candle. I'm just wondering what the scent is, because it smells, it's Autumn Glow, I guess, is the scent. But it smells really good. So that's the first item. And I said I paid like $54.95, and I want to say there was shipping. I'm pretty sure there was shipping. So, but it's definitely well worth it. And it says if you type in the Heavenlybleu in your YouTube, it'll pop up everybody that received this box. So it's always nice to see what other people selected. And then the next thing was this bracelet, and I believe that was a choice item. I'm a silver wearer, but this gold bracelet is really pretty. So if you have like different outfits that gold would go better with. And I have like a 6 3/4 wrist, so I do wear a size 7 normally in bracelets, but that is really pretty. And it does go great like with this color that I'm wearing. So I do like that, and I'm gonna leave it on. Dress up a little bit. So, and this is a $30 value. And so yeah, there were choices. You got, I think these earrings or this bracelet. So I do like this. So far we're off to a great start. And then next is a hand lotion by Penny and Cooper, and it's pumpkin pie. And you know I'm gonna have to try to open this without getting it all over. So is everybody getting ready for the holidays? I just have to let you know, we decided to go to Costco today. So there's a few items that we needed that only Costco carries. You couldn't even get in the parking lot. Once we got in the store, there were carts everywhere. So it was every man and woman and child for themselves. And I could not wait to get out of there. It was like my first outing out in forever. And it was just crazy. I think I had 3 or 4 items on the list, and we ended up with a lot more. But never again will I go. And it was like a Thursday mid-afternoon. It was crazy. And to go to their gas station was absolutely insane. And this lotion goes on really nice. And it definitely does smell like pumpkin spice. You can smell like it's a latte. So I'm liking that, and I'm going to put this right by my kitchen sink. And I know that's gonna like this. And then the next item, oh, we have to see how much that retails for. I don't see it. The pumpkin pie hand lotion has a retail price of $9. And if I saw this at a store, I would definitely pay $9 for that. The next item is by Skin Nation, and it's Scrubalicious, the perfect exfoliation for your face and body. Oh, that's nice. It's for your face and body. And it makes your skin feel baby soft. And it's plastic wrap, so I'm not going to open it, but I bet you this smells and feels amazing. And the Scrubalicious exfoliator retails for $20, and it's got organic extracts. So I am looking forward to trying that. Brenda, so far you are doing an awesome job. And then we have by Kim Jarrett Beauty, and it's a liquid eyeliner in black. I'm not going to take it out of the package or open it because we don't want to start that shelf life, but this looks like it's pretty cool. I'm horrible with eyeliners. I don't know. You can tell I didn't put any eye makeup on today because, as I said, I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. But this is the Claritin black liquid eyeliner, and it's got a retail value of $26. So I'm definitely gonna try it, and it's cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free. So that is really nice to have in a makeup product. So what'd you think so far? We're doing good. And again, there were other choices that you could have picked. These are just the ones that I picked. And there's one more item in the box. I'm making such a mess. And there was this smart camera. Now, I'll probably need to have Dennis put this together because I don't know, but maybe I can. It's easy to achieve real-time remote viewing. So you're supposed to be able to see what's going on at your home when you're not at home. So how cool is that? So let's check this out. Again, it's a security camera. It's a small, compact, and very unassuming ultra crisp 1080p lens with 360 panoramic that rotates 360 degrees. It also comes with a built-in motion detection sensor, so you can never miss a moment. And this is a $93.99 value. So I'm going to attempt to use this on my own. So this is what, like almost $200, and I paid $56. So I will go through what I got and what my choices were. So the electronic category, I think we all got security camera. And the beauty category, we could have received a palette, an eye palette, or the eyeliner, and I chose the eyeliner. We could have received, in the body care category, the pumpkin body scrub, or the exfoliator, and I chose the exfoliator. And then in the home decor category, we could have received the jar candle, which I think is great. I can't wait to burn it. Or the grapefruit and Akari homeroom linen mist, which I bet that would have smelled amazing as well. And then in the bath and body care, we could have received the shea nut buddy oil and shower steamers, or the hand lotion. And I don't know if she didn't have the body oil and shower steamers, because I would have chosen that over the hand lotion, but I'm thinking she might have been out. And so I received the hand lotion. And then in the bath care, or you could have received the Love Your Lip Duo, or so I got the hand lotion. So I'm thinking she was out of the shower steamers, because I'm a shower steamer junkie. And if you're an annual member, you would have received a surprise gift. Well, I'm just a quarterly member, so no surprise gift for me. So what did you think of this box and your choices? I think Brenda did a great job. Again, she works a full-time job and she curates this box. So leave comments below. What was your favorite item? I like the bracelet. I guess my favorite item would have been the candle. I'm a candle junkie as well. And I'll let you know once I get the security camera up how easy it was, what it does, if I feel more protected. So don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.